Antarctica. A place so cold, so empty, it's almost like another planet. No countries, no cities, just ice, stretching for miles in every direction. But here's the thing. For a place that's supposed to be just ice and snow, why is it one of the most heavily restricted places on Earth? Why are there no fly zones? Why do governments refuse to let people explore it freely? And most importantly, why are people who ask too many questions told to stop? Because Antarctica has a secret so big that if the world knew the truth, everything we think we know about history, about life on Earth, maybe even beyond Earth, could change forever. This is the darkest secret of Antarctica. In 1947, the U.S. military launched Operation High Jump, one of the biggest military expeditions to Antarctica in history. We're talking warships, planes, over 4,700 soldiers. To study ice? That doesn't add up. And here's where things get weird. The mission was supposed to last 6 months, but after just 8 weeks, it was cut short. And the man in charge, Rear Admiral Richard E. Byrd, came back with a chilling warning. He claimed the U.S. was facing a new enemy, an enemy that could fly from pole to pole at incredible speeds. Now hold up. What exactly did he see? And more importantly, why did the military classify most of the reports from that mission? Nobody's talking. But one thing's for sure. Something scared them. Just as aviation is all important in a modern navy that must be strong. Let's take a step back for a second. Did you know that Antarctica wasn't always frozen? Millions of years ago, it was a tropical paradise, full of rivers, forests, and life. Then, suddenly, it froze over. And recently, scientists using ground-penetrating radar discovered something insane. Massive structures buried deep under the ice. We're talking hundreds of miles wide, with perfectly geometric shapes. Some say it could be the remains of an ancient civilization. Others think it could be something even older. In 2016, satellite data revealed a 151-mile-long magnetic anomaly beneath Antarctica. A structure so massive, it dwarfs the Empire State Building. But what exactly is it? And why is it there? Even though Antarctica is supposedly unclaimed land, 99% of it is off limits. You can't just walk in and explore. You need government approval, and even then, there are places you'll never be allowed to see. And when people do try to explore, they're either denied access or they disappear. In 2018, a satellite image showed something strange. A massive oval-shaped doorway carved into the side of a mountain. Then just days after people started talking about it, the area was suddenly classified. Why? What's hiding under the ice that we're not supposed to see? In the late 1930s, Nazi Germany became obsessed with Antarctica. In 1938, they sent an expedition and claimed a part of the continent called New Swabia. Officially, they were just exploring. But here's the weird part. After the war, some of the highest-ranking Nazi officers were never found. They just vanished. And guess where some people think they went? Antarctica. Remember Operation High Jump? Some believe the real reason for that mission was to investigate or destroy what the Nazis left behind. If that's true, what exactly did they find? And now, the part that nobody wants to talk about. What if Admiral Byrd's warning was more than just paranoia? He said the U.S. was facing an enemy that could fly from pole to pole at unbelievable speeds. That sounds a lot like UFOs. In 2018, leaked government documents mentioned unidentified aerial phenomena detected over Antarctica. Some scientists claim there are massive underground cavities that could be hiding something artificial. And in ancient maps, like the Piri Reis map, Antarctica was drawn as a green land with cities centuries before we even discovered it. So here's the big question. Is it possible that Antarctica has been hiding something not of this world? Or maybe something that was here before us? Here's what we know. Antarctica is the most unexplored place on Earth. But for some reason, governments act like it's off limits. Strange military activity, underground structures that shouldn't exist, sudden classified zones, and yet they tell us there's nothing to see. If that's true, then why are they hiding so much? The truth is, Antarctica might be the last great mystery of our planet. And what's buried under that ice? It might just change everything.